Welcome aboard the 2012 60-foot Viking enclosed bridge Carolina Kingpin, listed for sale with 26 North Yachts. Without a doubt, this is the cleanest 60-foot Viking on the market today. There's no better place on this boat to prove that statement than the immaculate engine room. Her twin Caterpillar C32 Acerts pump out 1,925 horsepower each, which give Carolina Kingpin a top speed of 40 knots. These engines currently have 950 hours on them, with her 1,000-hour service already completed in March 2019. Carolina Kingpin also features a SeaKeeper AT, installed in September 2020 to ensure a smoother experience at sea. The striking orange hull of Carolina Kingpin was applied as a wrap in late 2020 and is easily removed if so desired by her new owner. Starting aft on this 60-foot Viking, her cockpit is well equipped for fishing with mezzanine seating. Walking into the aft deck door, you'll find the salon with plenty of room for comfortable entertaining after a day of fishing. Forward of this space is the well-equipped galley and a dinette area. Ample refrigeration and freezer space are tucked away under the custom granite countertop. The air-conditioned enclosed bridge of Carolina Kingpin offers a secondary salon area with an L-shaped settee, high-low teak cocktail table, and bar area, including refrigerator and storage areas. At the helm of Carolina Kingpin, you'll find updated and upgraded electronics, all easily accessed by the captain as he sits in the Stid helm chair. Accommodations on board Carolina Kingpin do not disappoint. The master stateroom is to port and features a walk-around queen-size bed with storage area underneath and an en-suite head. The forward VIP stateroom also features an en-suite head and the optional walk-around queen-size bed in lieu of crossover bunks. The two additional staterooms feature twin bunks and share a third head which doubles as the day head. Over $300,000 in recent upgrades have left Carolina Kingpin in prime condition and ready to fish with the family or in a tournament tomorrow. For more information, contact Bill Powers at 26 North Yachts. Discover your latitude.